Hello everyone, and welcome to this video tutorial and lecture series of advanced computer programming. I hope all of you are doing great and anxious to continue learning advanced computer programming. Okay, so the basic goal of this series would be to continue from where we left last time. However, I would be adding few shorter topics that need to be understood to bridge an already left gap and for completing your assignments. I will be using the lecture slides, online material like web tutorials, screen recordings of development in IDE, and so on. Each video may comprise of a lecture for a complete topic or a small tutorial being part of a larger topic. You can go through the videos and ask any questions that you might have in the group. All I need is your attention and dedication while you follow me and practice as much as you can. Good luck!